How to contact Binance Customer Support. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to contact the Binance Customer Support because you are facing some issue or you have some queries, then you want to tap open the Binance app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you open the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to contact the Binance customer support, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then over here, you want to tap on the headphone icon. Now scroll down and you will have some FAQs. You can tap open any of these articles and get more information. If this does not fixes your problem, you can directly contact with the customer support. For that, tap on the Get Support option. That will bring you to the chatbot of Binance Support. Here, you simply want to type in your query or let them know about your issue. Once you type in your issue or question, they will help you accordingly. And in this way, you can contact the Binance customer support. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.